Hello, welcome to EdaFace Media, which is part of EdaFace Ecosystem. I am Patricia. EdaFace is a user interface aggregator powering the decentralized world system using blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. EdaFace Media will be providing you with regular news updates about the emerging digital age. Therefore, subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep receiving up-to-date news. Disclaimer: the information provided in this broadcast does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. It is purely for your information, education, and entertainment. You can read our full disclaimer on EdaFace's website at edaface.com. Breaking news of the week. First breaking news. Nigeria unveils new sustainable digital finance framework. Nigeria has officially launched a new framework for sustainable digital finance, marking a major shift in how the country approaches cryptocurrencies and fintech innovation. The initiative, developed by the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) in collaboration with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC), aims to create a structured environment where digital finance can grow while maintaining strong oversight. Governor Olayemi Cardoso emphasized that the framework is designed to support technological progress and financial inclusion, while also protecting the stability of Nigeria's economy. The policy introduces clearer rules for crypto operators, better coordination between financial regulators, and stronger requirements for accountability and transparency. For years, Nigeria's crypto industry has faced uncertainty due to mixed signals from authorities, at times encouraging innovation, but at other times imposing restrictions that limited growth. This new framework suggests regulators are now aligning their efforts, recognizing that millions of Nigerians are already deeply engaged in digital assets and blockchain-based services. Industry experts believe this approach could help attract international investment, encourage responsible innovation, and reduce risks tied to fraud and misuse. By setting a foundation for sustainable digital finance, Nigeria is positioning itself as a leader in Africa's growing crypto and fintech markets. The move also reflects a broader global trend where countries are seeking to balance innovation in digital assets with rules that ensure safety, trust, and long-term economic stability. Second breaking news. Thailand's crypto ETF expansion may soon include altcoins. Thailand is preparing for a major step in the world of digital assets as its Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) works on expanding the scope of crypto exchange-traded funds (ETFs). Up until now, Bitcoin has been the main focus of such products. But according to SEC Secretary General Ponanong Butsaratragun, new drafts are being developed that would allow other leading cryptocurrencies to be included. This could soon open the doors for Ethereum, Solana, and possibly XRP, giving Thai investors more opportunities to access different parts of the crypto market. One of the interesting proposals is the idea of basket ETFs, which would combine several cryptocurrencies into a single fund. This would allow investors to spread their exposure across multiple digital assets rather than relying on just one coin. For a market like Thailand, where younger and more tech-savvy investors are driving demand for digital assets, such products could make crypto investments both more appealing and easier to manage. The final version of these rules is expected to be ready by early 2026, and while the SEC is showing clear interest in supporting innovation, it is also putting strong safeguards in place. This includes tighter custody requirements, more rigorous auditing standards, and stricter market surveillance to prevent fraud or manipulation. By balancing investor protection with wider access, Thailand hopes to build a trusted framework that can encourage both local and international participation in its digital asset markets. If approved, this expansion could be a turning point not just for Thailand, but for the broader Asian market. The inclusion of altcoins like Ethereum, Solana, and XRP in regulated ETFs would mark a significant momentum of legitimacy for these assets, giving them stronger recognition in traditional finance and potentially boosting their long-term adoption across the region. Third breaking news. US government shutdown seen as possible catalyst for Bitcoin and crypto rally. As the US government faces another shutdown, analysts are highlighting the potential impact this could have on the cryptocurrency market. Experts suggest that Bitcoin and other major digital assets could benefit from what some are calling a data blackout as government agencies pause the release of key economic reports. Without the usual flow of inflation, jobs, and spending data, investors may look to hedge against uncertainty by moving into alternative assets like Bitcoin, which has long been viewed as a store of value outside traditional finance. The shutdown could also ease pressure on the crypto industry in the short term. Agencies such as the SEC and CFTC are expected to operate with reduced staff, which means enforcement actions and regulatory decisions may be delayed. For crypto companies, this pause could provide temporary breathing room while the market continues to evolve. Analysts also note that October has historically been a strong month for Bitcoin, adding seasonal momentum to the argument that a rally could be brewing. At the same time, experts caution that the picture isn't all positive. If the shutdown drags on, it may complicate the Federal Reserve's ability to set policy, particularly regarding interest rate cuts that investors are hoping for. A prolonged political stalemate could undermine broader economic confidence, which in turn might dampen enthusiasm in financial markets. Still, for many in the crypto space, the combination of regulatory slowdowns, seasonal trends, and rising demand for alternative assets makes this shutdown a potential catalyst for a new wave of bullish activity. Crypto market analysis. The crypto market today is once again being led by Bitcoin, which pushed to a fresh all-time high of around $125,400 before cooling slightly to the $123,000 range. Despite the pullback, momentum remains strong, and Bitcoin's ability to hold above the $124,000 to $126,000 region will be key in deciding whether this rally continues in the coming days. If that level holds, buyers could push even higher, but slipping beneath it might trigger some profit-taking and a short-term correction. Ethereum has followed Bitcoin's lead and is showing steady strength, climbing a few percent and pressing up against resistance. Traders are watching closely to see if it can break through this ceiling, which could likely open the door to a larger move upward. The support level beneath ETH remains solid for now, suggesting the trend is still bullish as long as it can avoid slipping back under those zones. XRP has been the quietest among the majors, moving less dramatically but still holding steady in the green. Its price action shows stability, but the coin is still struggling with resistance that it hasn't yet managed to break. Until that happens, XRP looks more like it's consolidating rather than preparing for a major rally. Overall, the broader crypto market feels bullish, with Bitcoin setting the tone at new highs. Ethereum is close to a breakout, Solana sits at a crossroad, and XRP remains steady but cautious. If Bitcoin continues to hold its ground, the rest of the market is likely to follow with further strength. Eda Coin update. The NFT marketplace, which is the fifth component of EdaFace, has successfully passed through the various stages of development and is now in its testnet phase, where it is being integrated into the single sign-on system of EdaFace Ecosystem. What is unique about the EdaFace NFT marketplace? Friends, EdaFace NFT marketplace has unique features such as 1. 3 market arenas. EdaFace NFT marketplace is uniquely divided into 3 arenas for each of the 3 kinds of non-fungible tokens NFTs, which are art, collectible, and gaming NFTs. This division allows users easy access and navigation across the platform. 2. multi-chain capability. The unique thing about EdaFace NFT Marketplace is that it is a multi-chain platform. This means it can accept non-fungible tokens from different blockchain platforms such as Ethereum and BNB-based platforms. 3. Intra-chain transfer. Non-fungible tokens can be minted on other marketplaces such as OpenSea or Binance and then transferred to EdaFace NFT Marketplace for display to the teeming EdaFace communities. Likewise, users can mint NFTs on EdaFace Marketplace and transfer them to other NFT platforms or reserve them in their wallets. This is an intra-chain transfer, which offers flexibility to NFT transactions. 4. Varieties of minting. One unique feature of EdaFace NFT Marketplace is that it has 7 minting formats, which are single minting, unimultiple minting, polymultiple audio minting, polymultiple image minting, polymultiple video minting, layer by layer minting, and lazy mintings. No other NFT marketplace in the industry offers such a variety of minting, thus placing EdaFace NFT Marketplace over established platforms such as OpenSea, Binance NFT, and Rarible. EdaFace NFT Marketplace brings more utilities for Eda Coin. Watch out for its mainnet version that will unveil this unique platform to the world very soon. Introducing EdaFace Mall, the future of decentralized shopping. EdaFace Mall is a blockchain commerce platform that links physical products to online services using both cryptocurrency and fiat payment systems. It is a decentralized digital shopping platform that revolutionizes e-commerce with its novel bill commerce that enables secure crypto-powered transactions. Note that B-commerce refers to blockchain commercial activities. With a peer-to-peer marketplace, global accessibility, and blockchain-backed security, users can shop and sell effortlessly using cryptocurrency. Say goodbye to intermediaries and hello to a seamless, borderless shopping experience. Explore the future of online commerce today. You can access the EdaFace Mall by visiting its official website at mall.edaface.com. Good news! Eda Coin now listed on Ascendex. We're excited to announce that Eda Coin, Eda, the native utility coin of the EdaFace ecosystem, is now officially listed on Ascendex, formerly Bitmax, as of June 12, 2025. This marks a major milestone for the rapidly growing EdaFace ecosystem, making Eda Coin accessible to a wider global audience. Ascendex, formerly Bitmax, is a global digital asset financial platform founded by a group of Wall Street quantitative trading veterans in 2018. This global cryptocurrency exchange platform serves over 1 million retail and institutional clients in more than 200 countries. Ascendex has a 24-hour spot trading volume of $1.3 billion US, making it to be rated among the top 30 crypto exchanges in the world. The listing of Eda Coin on Ascendex opened up new opportunities for both investors and users to engage with one of the most promising utility coins in the blockchain space. With growing use cases across decentralized finance, NFTs, and crypto-powered commerce, Eda Coin is set to gain traction as a valuable asset in the digital economy. Don't be left out. Join in to trade this utility-enriched Eda Coin. For more information, visit the EdaFace website at edaface.com or its social media platforms such as EdaFace Global Telegram or EdaFace Twitter X. Links are being provided below. Also visit EdaFace newsfeed at news.edaface.com for daily news updates in real time. If you enjoyed the news, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join EdaFace communities on social media. Links are provided below. Thank you, my friends, for joining and connecting with us. Till next time, bye for now.